Welcome to the Earth and Flax studio. I have a lot to catch you up on. Today, the massive ledger board, timber ledger board, was installed on the exterior of the existing masonry wall. It's really critical that that ledger board is positioned exactly where we need it, as everything else is sort of measured and based off of where that ledger board is. You'll see those posts in either corner will be pegged, and then wherever these timbers meet, they will be secured with Timberloks. As this kind of comes together, suddenly it's not just a pile of timber, it is actually a structure. It is this room coming into existence here, and pretty exciting to be a part of that. All the work that has led up today has been exciting, has been fulfilling, but I think today has been the day that really made the most impact, getting all of these beautiful timbers in place and having this project that has been an idea in our minds and on paper really kind of come to life. So we're standing inside this room all of a sudden was just a really impactful sort of stage in the project. And I think you can tell and sense the excitement that we felt in the moment seeing all these elements come together. Now that we have our rafters in place, the next step is to get our prepped red oak tongue and groove in place. We kind of work together as a team, and you can see how it builds pretty quickly. Pretty fun and rewarding step in the process. This red oak tongue and groove has been prepped with the Viking Purified Linseed Oil just to create a little bit of surface protection while they've been stacked in storage, and now they already have a little bit of surface protection at installation. And if you recall, the red oak tongue and groove will be the exposed ceiling in the addition, and that will be the same treatment for the kitchen below. So in both rooms, you'll look up, you'll see that exposed timber, and you'll see that exposed red oak tongue and groove as well. This tongue and groove is the first step in our roofing system, which is up next. Stay tuned, as I think it'll be a really interesting part of the project to follow along. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to email us or leave a comment below.